out how to turn in assignments. From the home page in Blackboard, there's two links in the menu, Assignments and Wikis, that both have to do with homework. From the Assignments link, these links down here take you to the page where you turn things in. So if I'm turning in the homework that's due on August 25th, I click on this link and I'm going to attach my homework. So assuming that you've worked it out on paper and either scanned it or taken a picture of it, you should have a file saved on your computer. Go to Browse My Computer and find the file and attach it. Now it's not turned in yet until you click on Submit. So now you've turned in the assignment. There's one more step. You need to go to the Wikis page and choose the unit that we're working in. You pick the due date for the homework that you worked on. Now you're on the page specific to that. As you can see, I've put in a few sample problems to show you what I want. You put your name and a problem number, and then you work out the problem, explaining how you solved it. There's a few different ways to do that. You can either type out a written explanation, or you could attach a picture of your handwritten work, and that's fine. The key here is that this is one problem that you're going to present and explain. And if there's any way to work it out more than one way, I want you to do that. Also, you can even pick a problem that you had trouble with, and you could say what you've gotten done, what you've tried so far, and where you got stuck. Or if you have ideas but you're not sure they're right, you could explain all of that, ask for some help, and post that. And that counts as presenting a problem as well. To post these problems, you choose Edit Wiki Content, wait for it to load, and there's two scroll bars. This one brings up the entire page, and this one is the wiki document page itself that you're editing. Now be careful, because everyone has editing privileges. It's important not to erase anything that someone else already put on here. So if you're posting a new problem, pick a problem no one else posted so far and type your name and the problem number, and then work it out or explain the problem. You might want to make the answer bold so it really stands out, and then be sure that you also submit after you've typed your problem. Now, after people have posted problems, you can read through them to help you go over the homework. You need to comment on someone's problem. You can either add to it or ask a question about it. If you see one that looks wrong, it's okay to post a correction to it. We really want to clear those up right away. But you need to do it in a nice way. Here's an example. I purposely did this problem and put in an error that's really common in math classes. Here's my correction. I put my name and the problem number, and I wrote comments so that you know I'm not the original person. I got a different answer. I think you need to add 8 and 3, and the answer should be negative. You start -8 and subtract 3 more. It's all moving to the left. Notice how I'm just sticking to the facts. There's no emotions in there, and it certainly isn't insulting in any way. Just be real careful about that when you make corrections, but we definitely want them. So if you want to post a response to someone else, again, click on the Edit Wiki Content. That's how you enter anything on this page. It's just one big wide open document that everyone has access to. Be careful not to delete other people's work. So there's your response. Don't forget to hit Submit when you're finished. So to turn in homework, there's two parts. For assignments, you turn in the entire assignment, then go to the wiki part, post a problem fully explained, and post a response to someone else's problem. The assignment part and the wiki part are each worth 2 points, and I add them together and enter them as a 4-point assignment. So you'll be seeing that in the grade book. Okay, now you're ready to turn in assignments.